Have I got that at the right length? N-O. Okay. Take a bit off for so. Say about that. Nothing that a little trim up doesn't fix. You plugged in? You were plugged in. Where is my piece of timber? There it is. Give it a try. Oh, perfect. Get it out of the road, I don't need it. Yeah, so we'll slap up the bottom. Bring that over a tad. Is it all the right width? Now what I need to do there's a clip or two. A clip or two. Oh. No, it's not going to work. Okay. What I need to do is just I haven't got heaps and heaps of glue to go up in there, but I might just need a prop to help hold it. So I'll get one at the ready, like that. When you're doing this sort of thing, you always make sure your glue is a little bit stiffer than what you normally have it. If you have it too runny, there's certain times that you change your glue, like you always do in your niche last, so your glue has had a bit of time to dry a little bit, because you don't want it too wet when doing stuff like this, because you need to put your tile up like that and it doesn't fall like that. You don't have to jam it in tight, it's just to hold it. When I put the other one in, I'll just move it over a tad, but a shorter length pretty much stays up there. So cut it a little bit longer. Oh no, I don't. I would have made a mistake then. Push it up and it's there forever. I'm full. Yeah. You guys want to learn more? Subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up. It's not quite flush. That's not quite. Just a little. Just a little tip. You always check it. Now, DIYs, you see your evenness either side, see along the bottom, see the top. It's slightly different because I've raised that tile up for the slope, but it's within millimeters. Now DIYers, if you did that for your wife, she'd love you forever. Well, for a little while anyway. No, I'm happy with that. I would have that in my own home, and that's the rule of thumb. You do what you'd have in your own home.